Welcome back to the final practice in our 5 Nights to Better Sleep series. I hope you are feeling the benefits. Hopefully you've gone through all of the practices and maybe you're feeling a little bit quieter, a little bit softer. The practice today is going to touch upon everything we've done all week. So breath, nervous system, working on our hips, our spine, back. This is going to be a well-rounded practice, something that you can come back to at any time. The practice is going to require 2 blocks, and we will get started laying down on our backs for a heart opener. So you're going to position the blocks in such a way that the first block is on its highest height, the second block, second highest height. Sitting directly in front of the first block, just making sure that it's not digging into your low back. You want it slightly away, so that when you come down, you are able to hug the block with your shoulder blades, and the back of your head rests on the top block. And we're going to bring the feet nice and wide today. Arms open up out to the side. And just fully surrendering into the blocks. If you've been sitting a lot, this is a really great way to counter all of the hunching forward. Maybe do a lot of driving. So from here, let's close the legs gently. Reach the arms up overhead, maybe interlace the fingers. Take a nice long body stretch here. And on the exhale, just let everything drop heavy. We're going to roll to one side. So dig your left elbow or right elbow into the floor, roll to one side, and sit yourself all the way up. Bringing the soles of the feet to touch. You want your feet further away from your groin for this one. Inhale here, and exhale, palms face up, and just allowing the head to drop forward. So this should feel really nice as a counter stretch as we just opened up. and rounding forward. Nice expansive breath at the back of the rib cage, allowing the head to be heavy. Take a nice cleansing breath here. Inhale. And sigh it out. Very gently rise all the way up. Just remove the blocks from behind you. And we'll make our way into a deer position. So bringing the right shin parallel to the top or the back of the mat, depending on which way you're facing. And bringing your left shin parallel to the side of the mat. Square your hips off first, so you're internally rotating that left hip forward. Inhale here. And when you're ready, exhale to gently come down over that right shin. You also have the option to just stay up on your fingertips if you find that you lean or you sink to the right. Nice big inhale here. And sigh it out. Gently walk yourself back up. Bringing your left leg forward. and bringing the right leg back. So doing this on the other side. Remembering to internally rotate so you're drawing your right hip forward, squaring off your hips, and then coming down any amount. And of course, if you're looking for something maybe even a little bit deeper, you can always take pigeon. Nice big inhale here. And sigh it out. Gently rise. Swing your right leg forward and come to lay all the way down onto your back. Taking a quad stretch. So with that right knee bent, you're going to swing your left foot underneath that right leg. Grab a hold of your left foot with your right hand and bring your left knee, left shin to the floor. Bend the right knee in towards the chest. Grab a hold of the right knee with the left hand. So feeling that pull on the top of the left thigh, left hip flexor. Take a nice cleansing breath here. Inhale. And exhale, sigh it out. Gently bring the right foot to the floor. Unravel the left foot from underneath you. Readjust your hips. And we'll do this on the other side. So with your left knee bent, swing your right foot underneath. Grab a hold of your right foot with your left hand. And then bring your right knee, right shin down to the floor. Bend the left knee in towards the chest. Grab a hold of the left knee with the right hand. nice big breath in and sigh it out. Release the grip. Unravel, bringing the soles of feet back to the floor. Bringing your feet as wide as the mat. Allow your knees to knock in. And then without moving your feet, drop both knees to the right and to the left. A few more times. And then rocking to one side. Just cradle the head in the upper arm here. Let's take a few moments. And then gently push yourself up to a seat. So with your eyes closed, just humbly bow your chin in towards your chest. Find a nice tall spine. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale down the back. And just taking these few moments to pause. Coming back to the breath. Noticing any sensations in the body. Gently opening the eyes. I do hope that you enjoyed this practice. It served you well. I hope you've been noticing any subtle shifts in your body, your nervous system. Maybe you're quieter, calmer before you head to bed, before you wind down for the evening. If you did enjoy it, maybe share it with somebody in your life who needs help with sleep. Maybe they suffer from insomnia, sleep apnea. Maybe they're in perimenopause, menopause. Somebody who would benefit from these practices. Stay tuned for next week. There will be another series, and I will see you back here again shortly. Thank you.